Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kensha and welcome. So girl, I have some exciting news for y'all. Like, I'm super ecstatic. My cheeks are hurting from smiling so hard on camera right now. I'm super excited about this. A major brand sent your girl PR. Like, what? Is this really my 2021 right now? And that brand is a brand that I 100% stand by. I love this brand. You guys see me review this brand all the time on my channel. And girl, guess who I'm talking about? I'll give you a second. Girl, Bath and Body Works sent your girl over a PR package. Like, what? Is this really my 2021 right now? So I'm super ecstatic, like I said in the intro, and I do want to give a special shout out and thank you to Bath and Body Works for sending your girl over this lovely PR package. Like, this package has made my entire year. Like I'm just so ecstatic about this. I have not even opened up this package. As you guys can tell, it is literally still taped up. I wanted to save my first impressions for this video, so I hope you guys stick around for my true impressions and thoughts of what's inside. Stay tuned. Alright, so I have not cut this box open like I said in the intro, so your girl got a box cutter and I'm literally about to cut this open on camera with you all to get my true first impressions of what's inside of here. What? What? Like, oh my god, y'all, I am so ecstatic. Like, I'm like so filled with joy. Like, I feel like I'm about to start crying. That's how ecstatic I am about this package. What? Your girl got the entire Sunshine Mimosa collection. Like, what? Look at this, y'all. Look at all of these goodies in here. Like, what? I am so excited to try every single one of these out. Let's just get into what is inside of this box. So they are coming out with a foaming sugar body scrub. This is what it looks like. I think this is actually something new, y'all. I just know they normally have like the regular sugar scrubs. The scent notes of Sunshine Mimosa are bright, bubbly champagne, fresh citrus. What? Okay, so I actually have to open this to get a true first impressions of this. Oh, this is really nice, y'all. It's very sweet and fresh. Ooh, I know a lot of people are thinking, because of the champagne notes, that has to be like a dupe for champagne toast. This is actually something completely different in a league of its own. It's very bright. This is going to be one of those good scents to start your day off with because of that citrus note. That smells really good. I cannot wait to use the foaming sugar body scrub. Now y'all know on my channel I really like to get into depth, so I will bring you guys a in-depth review of this scent and how long it lasts on the body and if you should really get it. But first impressions, this is a chef's kiss, sis. Chef's kiss, do you hear me? Next up, I have the body cream, and it looks like that the packaging is pretty much the exact same on everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my hands so I can see how it's gonna work with my body chemistry. This is good. This is so good, sis. This is what you need to start spring with. I think spring is what, March 21st? Yes, this is going to be that scent to start off spring with. It's just so bright and it just kind of brings so much joy to you. It's definitely that scent for spring. Next up, we have Sunshine Mimosa body lotion. Y'all know I love me some body lotions. We also got the perfume spray. What? That's what that looks like. I'm actually wanting to open this up right now. But my hand's a little oily from the body cream. Next up, we have the shower gel. Y'all, look at that orange. It's just so bright and happy. Like, I love this color. Next up, your girl has the moisturizing body wash. I can't wait to try this. I'm not like the biggest fan of moisturizing body wash. My favorite is actually the shower gel, but this is so exciting. Let me know down in the comments if you guys are excited about this collection. I am actually super excited. I'm actually glad that I received this in PR because your girl was waiting for this to drop so she could use her reward points to get most of the collection for free. So I'm super grateful that Bath & Body Works actually sent me this package. And if you aren't signed up for the rewards program, make sure you sign up for it, sis. So this is the body spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some on me right now. This is so good. I definitely get that citrus. And it's a different kind of citrus, kind of like Sun Wash citrus. This is like a different citrus. This is more sweeter. I love this. Now, this is going to be a scent that you can wear every single day, sis. Every day, do you hear me? This is going to be a good going to work scent because it's so fresh and bright. It's going to be perfect to start your day off. They also sent over the perfume, Eau de Parfum. Y'all, I love this. Look how cute and tiny this is. And I just love the ombre of this. Oh, this one you just get more, you get more of a sweet note. And I think that's the champagne in this. I just love this, y'all. This is going to be my jam. I actually don't own any eau de parfums from Bath & Body Works, so this is my first, and I'm ecstatic about this. Thank you, Bath & Body Works. You guys have actually made my 2021 by sending me this PR package. Thank you so much, and guys, I hope you enjoyed me unboxing this. I am super ecstatic still. As you can tell, my cheeks are still hurting from smiling so hard. But I hope to see you guys in my next one, and let me know down below if you want to see a thorough review of this collection. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.